We believe that small businesses desperately need regulatory relief. So the Chamber of Commerce represents over 3 million businesses, large and small. The Chamber is calling for comprehensive tax reform. And what that means is we're looking at both corporate rates and individual rates. And from a small business perspective, that's hugely important because over 80% of small business file their taxes as individuals. So lowering the rates puts more cash into the pocketbooks and the wallets of small businesses. So there's good news and bad news when it comes to small businesses accessing capital. The bad news is that Dodd-Frank squeezed these community banks that are not able to lend to small businesses the way they used to. The good news is that there are a host of technology-driven companies that are providing non-bank lending to small business. And we're hopeful that the competition amongst that group really lead to greater access and a trust relationship between some of these new players and small business owners. The House has already passed legislation that guarantees a better voice for small business when regulatory decisions are made. So it's the Regulatory Accountability Act and it's the Reg Flex Improvements Act. Both should get bipartisan support, and we're hoping they get to the President's desk. The Chamber of Commerce is hearing from small businesses all over the country the same things that are reflected in the stock market and in the jobs numbers, and that is optimism. And we're optimistic because we see in the future lower tax rates, regulatory relief, and access to affordable health care. All of those things will allow small businesses to do what they do best, and that is hire new employees, reinvest in their companies, and invest in their communities. All of that grows our economy.